can make the most of your fasting by starting early, which it's too late for that right now. But if you have been fasting for Sha'ban, or you've been fasting Mondays and Thursdays, you've been fasting the days of the full moon, then you hit the ground running in Ramadan. Right? You're not taking that time to acclimate. Right? You're not going to go through withdrawal of coffee or caffeine or whatever it is, the first days of Ramadan. So you're going to take a lot more out of Ramadan than if you just started fasting, the first of Ramadan. And the other thing is to realize that the purpose of fasting is, yes, to feel hunger. A lot of people, they struggle with this, where they spend the whole month trying to avoid hunger, right? They'll sleep all day, they'll stuff themselves at night, and this is contrary to the things that you're supposed to feel. You're supposed to feel hungry, right? The hunger, we believe, is going to do spiritual work on you. So don't run away from it. It makes me think of like childbirth, right? The woman, when she delivers a child, she has contractions. Contractions are extremely painful. And, I've had the blessing to attend all the births in our family. And there's kind of a decision that has to be made. You have to embrace the contraction. You can't run away from it. If you run away from it, it actually delays the birth of the child, right? You try to fight it, you try to avoid it. But if you bear down and you confront it and you face it head on, then it's actually going to do the work that it has to do. Now, the other thing is realizing that fasting is not just about food and water and intimacy, that it's about, everything that you look at, everything that you say, everything that you listen to. And so if you're experiencing fasting in that holistic way, then you're going to get a lot more out of your fast.